Hello boys, what's poppin'? I've got a pretty simple video today. It's not really what I usually do. Might be starting, I don't know, this might be the kind of thing I usually do from now on. I'm not really enjoying games too much, but we'll figure it out as we go along. But I just want to show you guys quickly how you can get Photoshop CS6 completely for free. So if you, first of all, to start this off, if you go look in the description, you'll see this website will be linked. And through that, it should take you to this website here. And if we just download as a zip, and then all you have to do is wait for this to finish. It's a zip file, so it's pretty fast. Once this is finished downloading, it should take a second, but you should see it pop up down here. I'll give it a little bit. There we go. Right, you want to left click on this button here, show it in folder, and then wait for the folder to open. Once your file explorer is open, it should bring you to a page like this, and you will see your zipped file. This is a good time to mention you're going to need a program like WinRAR or 7-zip. They will both be linked down in the description for you to get. You can choose either, it doesn't make much of a difference. You need to make sure you have that. Afterwards, you right click on Photoshop CS6, come to, I use 7-zip personally, come down to 7-zip or WinRAR, and you want to try and find where it says extract to Photoshop CS6. Wait a little bit. It was now extracted Photoshop CS6. This will allow you to come onto here. If you check the Photoshop activation key, quickly before you come on, just copy this, and then open up Crysis's Photoshop installer. All you want to do is just accept anything that comes up. Choose your language. I am English, so I'm going to go with English. Welcome to Adobe Photoshop Wizard. This is pretty simple if you know how to install programs. It's very easy, but I will bring you through each one. Make sure you accept. Choose your download location. I'm going to keep it where it is. If you want to have a start menu folder, you can name it whatever you want. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can or can't. I personally like not to. And then the license key, you just want to copy in what was there before, press next, and then press install. And then finish. That's you done. If you look here, Photoshop. I also have it down here, but that was already pre-installed. There you go, simple as that.